Stop chasing that one unicorn deal. Real estate empires are built with consistent daily effort. Seriously, forget the hype. Focus on the grind. Waking up before dawn, deep diving into deal analysis, scrutinizing comps, calculating accurate repair costs, projecting realistic cash flow, not just best-case scenarios. Mastering the BRRRR strategy isn't a magic trick. It's systematically finding undervalued assets, managing rehabs tightly, placing great tenants, refinancing effectively, and having the discipline to repeat. Expanding your portfolio strategically means knowing when to say no, not just adding doors. You absolutely will face setbacks, tenants from hell, surprise foundation issues, lenders changing terms last minute. It's guaranteed. Sharing your journey, the good and the bad, builds your network and sharpens your skills. Learn from every investor interview, every podcast, every meetup. Explore off-market strategies, maybe subject to deals or creative partnerships. Stay relentless. For years, I worshiped the spreadsheet, optimizing every number. Cash on cash, IRR, velocity of capital. My portfolio looked amazing on paper. The twist? My biggest leap forward came right after my most expensive mistake, a flip that flopped spectacularly. That failure forced me to rebuild my entire process, focusing on risk mitigation and building genuine trust with contractors and partners. Not just squeezing margins. It wasn't the wins, but learning from that loss that unlocked scale. So yes, analyze ruthlessly, execute decisively, but remember the real foundation is daily discipline and building resilience through the inevitable challenges. That's the ultimate strategy.